promise. This is the video of me pressure washing the driveway with my new Simpson 3000 PSI pressure washer. In this video I'm using my 15-inch surface cleaner. Like I said, 3000 PSI. I'm working with about 150 feet of line. And as you can see, my son was my cameraman today. This is his first time recording. So, it'll get better. No complaints. Okay, we both get better. I'm not a pro at it myself. As you can see, that surface cleaner, it has those casters on it. So it's just rolling down through there, knocking out that grime. As you can see, it's cutting it like butter. At 3000 PSI, it's no joke. I treated can't get my words out. I treated this driveway with Zep concrete cleaner. I let it sit about 10 to 15 minutes before I start using my surface cleaner on it. But guys, when you're using a concrete cleaner, you also want to wet your surface before you apply that surface cleaner. It's going to cool your surface down, for one, and then two, your chemical is not going to end up drying as fast on top of the surface. You don't want that to happen. You don't want your chemical to dry on your customer's surface. I've never let that happen, but as you can see, I'm knocking the chemical off and that grime off at the same time. You want to make sure that your area stays wet, that you're working in. So my customer, this driveway hasn't been cleaned since they purchased the home, and so as you can see, that Zep is doing this thing. Another thing with this pressure washer, it's easy to start. I had no problems with that. It requires premium gas, which I put that in all my pressure washers. Oil for this unit it's hard trying to get the oil in because it's in a weird spot. They got it. The angle is weird, but it can be done. You just have to invest in your pressure washer. Especially this one, you need one of those necks that's gonna kind of curve so you can get that oil in there. But right here, I'm doing the sidewalk, and again, surface cleaner, that PSI. We ain't playing no games. We're applying that pressure. So I guess if any of you guys are interested in getting into the pressure washing world, like I tell everybody that I talk to that ask me about it, invest in yourself. Every time you do a job, here's my son's hands, invest in yourself. Go out, buy you, something that's gonna help you knock the next job out a little bit faster. Don't go out and spend thousands and thousands on you haven't had any practice for real, and it's your first job. And just start out with your, I want to say at least 2800 PSI. That's gonna make that driveway look real good. I've seen people do it with 1500, and I've seen people do it with 2300, and the job is not as bright. The driveway is not as bright when they get done. So I want to say start out with at least 25, 3000, 4000. I mean, that's a lot of power. Yeah, it will get the job done, but that's a bigger unit. It's gonna be a lot harder on your back. So as you can see, kind of see some lines right there as I'm passing. And to get rid of those lines, what you want to do is you want to use a method of going up and down, and then left and right. You're gonna see me doing this a couple times a couple of these clips. That's gonna eliminate my tiger stripes. So I'm going ahead and I'm cleaning that area with my up and down and left to right method. As y'all see, my car was in the way. It got a lot of sling on it today because wasn't a lot of room to park in this neighborhood. But hey, we get it done. We'll figure out a way. We just have to make sure we watch for the mailman, make sure our customer don't miss out on his mail. But customer wanted the driveway done. They want the sidewalks done. We did this job in about 45 minutes. And I want to tell you guys that these surface cleaners that have the wheels on it, oh man, they're gonna make their job a lot easier for you, because it's just gliding. You got a lot of surface cleaners that have the bristles on the bottom, and sometimes they catch, starting out with them, it's a little rough. But with these wheels, I'm just gliding through there and I'm cutting that grime. This driveway, man, it hasn't been clean since they moved in this house, and they've been there for a while. And I'll tell you, when you're out there pressure washing and you're doing the driveway like this, and people, they come by and they see you putting in that work and they see you doing a good job, you're taking your time. Oh, they gonna ask you, you got a business card? What's the name of your company? While I was doing this driveway, a guy pulled up and he asked me, what we doing today? How much it cost me to rent that unit? And my reply was, I own it. It made me feel good. And I think it made him feel good too. I'm a young black man out there trying to making honest money and doing my thing, starting my business up, and I bought my equipment. And that's another thing. You don't have to buy the equipment starting off. I know a couple guys that pressure washing now. Every time they get a job, they go rent a unit. There's nothing wrong with that. It's you gotta do what you gotta do. But if you're getting $400, $500 jobs, it don't cost you under $100 maybe to rent the unit. Hey, go ahead, go with it. So we still on the sidewalk. And guys, when you pressure washing, man, just take your time. I mean, you don't want to have the people's water on all day. You still kind of want to take your time, do a good job, so they call you back. And this is a repeat customer right here. I've done this condo, I've done this house, and another house he has by the lake. We're gonna get that done before it gets too cold on us. And guess I'm gonna cut it off right here. And you guys enjoy. You like the video, hit that like button, subscribe. I do a lot of reviews. I do a lot of pressure washing reviews. I'm not perfect, but hey, I will spread the knowledge, a little bit that I do know. If you have any questions, so hit me up in the comment section, and y'all enjoy this video. Oh yeah, one more thing. I know I said this before, but like and subscribe. That will help out my channel. I'll be posting more reviews. Every time I get something, I do pretty much do a review on it. So I thank y'all for watching. So like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and stay tuned for future videos.